Lishonile mbukeli kepha ke belingeke lashona ngaphandle kwetinzabatalo nathi talo muhla tingelwimi lesisati la ku SABC asikubingelele ngwane.
I hope that we get an African Pope.
Inhloko hovisi yeMaroma isumngcwabo wa Pope Francis utawuba ngemgcibelo eSt Peter's Basilica.
No one in the ANC, the liberation movement, and the freedom-loving people across the globe believed the fiction story of a train accident.
Wethule bufakazi enkantolo lephakeme yase Pietermaritzburg Jeff Radebe eliphenyweni lokushona kwa Chief Albert Luthuli.
As things stands, there is no formal presentation of charges against the president of Netball.
The South African Sports Confederation and Olympic Committee in Netball South Africa nelitiko letemidlalo tebuciko nemasiko balile kuphawula ngekumiswa kamengameli weNetball South Africa Cecilia Molokwane. Inhloko hovisi yeMaroma isumngcwabo wa Pope Francis utawuba ngemgcibelo eSt Peter's Basilica. Lenkonzo itawuholwa ngumphathi lomkhulu wema-Cardinals Giovanni Battista Re. Sidumbu sa Pope sitawube sesimikiswa eSt Mary Major lapho atawufihlwa khona.
Isondo leMaroma iCathedral of Christ the King litawubamba inkonzo yesikhumbuzo ya Pope Francis eJozi kusasa. Pope wedlule emhlabeni ngemsombuluko kanti beneminyaka lengemashumi lasiphohlongo nesiphohlongo kulandzela emaviki okuba buthakathaka.
He has really changed many things in the Catholic Church. Thanks to Pope Francis, for the very first time in the history of the Catholic Church, we had the participation of lay people in a synod of bishops.
Kusenjalo baholi mhlaba wonke netakhamuti batawulandzela umngcwabo ngemgcibelo. Mengameli wangaphambilini Phumzile Mlambo-Ngcuka lobeka ngumeluleki wa Pope kutebusweti uthi kwendlula emhlabeni kwa Pope kushiye sikhala lesikhulu.
I hope that we get an African Pope. This time I will not hide my bias. And but also I hope that we will have a Pope that will take the church further.
Sigungu lesetulu seMaroma sitawuhlangana kuchubeka neluhlelo lokukhetfwa kwa Pope lomusha. Kanti ke Francis utawubekwa ngemgcibelo.
Umhlaba ufake ingubo emlonyeni kulandzela kushona kwa Pope Francis welibandla leMaroma. Sikubutile ke mbukeli ukuthi ngabe uphatheke kanjani njengemlandzeli waleli bandla. Umbono wakho uyalandzela.
Njengomkhatolike mandithi isitya esihle asidleli uwile umthomkhulu lithi masemkhulule agoduke uqatso lwakhe olufezile.
Kuzwakala kushaqisa kakhulu ukwedlula emhlabeni kukaBaba uFrancis lo obe umholi wamaRoma. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi wonke amalungu ebandla athintekile kakhulu umoyeni. Engikholelwa ukuthi mhlawumbe azolala ngenxeba ngithi abaphephise sizwe sonke nje ke kuwo wonke umuntu obekhonza kuleli bandla abaduduzeke.
Noma ngengelona ilunga lebandla amakhatholika kodwa ke ngiyazi ukuthi ngizima kanjani ukusho umholi obe namava ebambe iqhaza enkonzweni kwase kanje ibandla lonke lamakhatholika lingaduduzeka liqine.
Uhlungu kakhulu kuzole indaba zokudlula komholi webandla lokho. Ngiyafisa singathi umzimba wakho ngayela ngokuthula alala uphumula kwafuthi ukhanya kaphakade kumkhanyeni.
Wonke kuyaziwa iqhaza lakhe beyibamba iqhaza kakhulu ezintweni eziningi so nje lokho kwenza ukuthi umhlaba unkushaqeke wonke umuntu ephatheke kabuhlungu ngokudlula kwaBaba sengazuthi impela umphefumulo wakhe waqhubula ngoxolo.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli iSABC etethweswa kutiphendulela ngawo. Lomunye webaholi beANC Jeff Radebe uthi akekho kuleli cembu lokholwa ukuthi kunenzaba labatakhela yona elizabeni lwekufa kwa Chief Albert Luthuli. Radebe bekathula bufakazi eliphenyweni lekushona kwa Luthuli enkantolo lephakeme ePietermaritzburg lomuhla. Luthuli washonela eGrootville kwaZulu Natal enyangeni yakholwane 1967 ngemva kwekushayiswa sitimela.
Lesi sikhathi ANC beyisilinze ngalabovu ngemva kweminyaka lengama-60. Umholi we-ANC Jeff Radebe utshele inkantolo ngemlando lowendeka ngesikhathi Luthuli ajoyina phinza asebenzele i-ANC. Radebe utshele inkantolo ukuthi emandla nekuthandwa kwaLuthuli kwabonakala njengento leyingodi kuhulumende olubandlululo lokwahola ekubulaweni kwakhe.
No one in the ANC, the liberation movement, and the freedom-loving people across the globe believed the fiction story of a train accident.
Radebe utshele inkantolo ukuthi ngaphansi kwebuholi baLuthuli kwasungulwa inhlelo bethlose kulusana nalohulumende. Uthi bekungaphansi kwebuholi baLuthuli lapho iANC yasungula khona umbutho wetembi umkhonto wesizwe nga-1961.
The dynamic and effective leadership of Chief Luthuli changed the ANC forever. From a conservative organization in 1912, characterized by representations, to a radical ANC of the Defiance Campaign from 1952, culminating in the decision to embark on the armed struggle in 1961, Chief Luthuli was regarded by the apartheid state as a danger to it.
Radebe uphinze wakhuluma kabanti ngemthelela lowabakhona ngelusunyu lebelubhekiswe kuLuthuli.
Inkantolo lephakeme eNtshonalanga Kapa ilalela isikhalo seDA neEFF sekunyuswa kwentsela yempahla iVAT nga-0.5 wemaphesenti lesanzwa kuphasiswa ePhalamende. Akhuluma nebalandzeli baleli qembu, sihlalo weDA Ivan Meyer uthi unelithemba lokuthi iqembu lakhe litawuphumelela kuleli cala futhi lutawumiswa lokunyusa kwentsela lekufanele kuqale mhla lulunye enyangeni letako.
Sihlalo we-DA Ivan Meyer ucekete inhlangano letfake ekhasi Action SA iBoss neRise Mzansi ngekuvota ne-ANC kunyusweni kweVAT. Meyer uthi kwenyuswa kweVAT kutawuthikameta emabhizinisi labeswele kuphindze kubhebhethele kulahleka kwamathuba yemisebenzi. Meyer uthi ANC ayinendzaba nebantfu bakuleli.
How can this government do this to the people who are already suffering through high unemployment? The ANC doesn't care about the poor, the working class and the general South African public. The cost of living crisis will deepen with the VAT increase.
Advocate Thembeka Ngcokaitobe beketfula umbiko enkantolo ephakeme eNtshonalanga Kapa amelele i-EFF ne-DA abahambisana nokunyuswa kweVAT. Ngcokaitobe uthi uhulumende kumele aqhamukane namanye amasu ekucokelela timali.
Parliament itself and the minister himself were told by the Commissioner of SARS that there are alternatives to the VAT increase. They were not told by my clients or the DA or anyone. They were told by their own commissioner. The law is not that the government can simply assert that we've made this policy choice. The law requires the government to account by reference to the standard in the Constitution about why they have made policy choices and why they have rejected certain alternatives which were made and made available to them.
Uma ngabe lamaqembu lamabili angaphumeleli kulolu tsaba, iVAT itokonyuka nga-0.5% kusukela mhla lulunye kulenyanga letakwetfasa.
Inkantolo yamanje eMalahleni eMpumalanga inikete emakhansela lamabili bail ya 10,000 wemarandi ngamunye. Busi Hlumbane na Jerry Dijana baboshwa evikini lelengcile eWitbank Dam. Hlumbane na Dijana babukene nemacala lamathathu enkohlakalo kanye nekufuna imali ngenkani. Kanti Dijana wengetelwe licala lekucekela phasi bufakazi.
Injabulo kuphela ngaphandle kwenkantolo ngesikhathi boPatrick Dijana naBusi Hlumbane baniketwa ibheyili. Ummeli wabo uthi sebatawuvumela umthetho uthathe indzawo.
Ibheyili sitholile bakhululile nge-10,000 rand each. Bakunama conditions akhona kumele bafonele lo ophethe icala if bafuna ukungena kamasipala.
Emalunga eDA ne-MK akakajabuli ngesinqumo senkantolo.
We are not happy. The DA is not happy with what happened. Only 10,000 rand bail each for extortion, corruption and defeating the end of justice. That's totally unacceptable.
When the judge delivered the bail, there was a condition set that the councillors are not allowed to enter the premises of the municipality.
Ganzike masipala waseMalahleni usemukele lesinqumo.
We welcome the court judgment and we will wait for the law to take its course.
Ganzike lolu dzaba lubuyela enkantolo mhla 13 ngenhlaba kwentela kuchubeka neluphenyo.
Kulinzeleke ukuthi imengameli wase-Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky afike kuleli ngolwesine. Kepha ke kube nemibono leyehlukene ngekutaka kwakhe kuleli. Kuva ngenhloso yelivakasho lwakhe sikhulumisana nemhlatiwe tepolitiki Freddy Mbuyane. Asikubingelele sikwemukele tindzabeni tesiswati.
Ngiyabonga sesilindela ngibingelele kuwe ngibingelele nakuma viewers emakhaya.
Siyabonga Mr Mbuyane. Asiqale nje ngekuva ukuthi mhlambe yini lokulinzele kulolu hambo lwa Zelensky. Lokho labatawukhuluma ngakho ePitoli.
Sesilindela obviously the world is not in good shape. Mass system semhlaba, the trading system is in tatters. So therefore, any state visit in South Africa and outside South Africa, anywhere in the world, the agenda and the objective at the center of it, Guakai peace, because emhlabeni lesiphila kuwo maku chaotic, emhlabeni lesiphila kuyo maku uma simo singasigahle kune disruption akwendi ukuthi simo sibe kahle. So peace is at the center of this thing. 2, diplomacy. Any conflict lekhona le existako, any skirmish lekhona mhlambe emhlabeni o geopolitically, indlela yokuyisolve it's through diplomacy. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe abantu bebakhulumisana ngale zinto letimbili ikakhulu kati, but lokukhulu futhi i-trade, kuhwebelana lokukhona, kuvula ama channels okuxoxisana nokuhwebelana kuze minotho yale ma country khona ukusurvive, ikhona ukuphila.
Mhlambe yini mlami lesingakubona noma sisombululo kulembi leqhubeka ke Ukraine sikhona inisombululo lesitaba khona nje ngekuta kwa Zelensky kuleli
sikhona sesilindela uma ubuka mhlambe from itolo from last week iAmerica yende effort yodwana kunemave Europe nayo iyahlangana yende effort yokwenda siciniseke ukuthi kuba ne peace eUkraine. Iningizimu Afrika neAfrica ke ikiya leader iAfrican delegation yaya eUkraine ngo-2023 if I'm not mistaken. Yayozama kwenda siciniseke ukuthi nathi si-Africa nathi si-South Africa sifaka ligalelo siphakamisa kona ukuthi akube ne peace emhlabeni, amhlaba awu resolve ama conflict nema dispute nema skirmishes through diplomacy, not war. We are opposed to war, but sabuye futhi sa expressa sa articulate a position in a policy eningizimu Afrika ukuthi sina we are taking a neutral position. Want the world that is peaceful, want the world that is democratic, want the world that is promoting coexistence nokuhwebelana in many respects. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi isisombululo sitoba khona kufaka ligalelo ne-contribution yeningizimu Afrika. It's meaningful in isindo lesikhulu kakhulu given what South Africa has demonstrated ukuthatha Israel ayise ku-World Court. Although the flip side of it ngilokuthi iAmerica ayisayibuki kahle iningizimu Afrika, but mavela amaningi emhlabeni, mavela amaningi abonile ukuthi iningizimu Afrika ilivele bangalithemba, livele lengaba ingcenye ye-effort le-brokerisha kuthula not only i-Ukraine nase-Russia kuphela but globally sibonakala ngathi i-reputation yethu iyaphakama, i-image yethu iyaphakama, i-resolve ne-conviction ku-diplomacy ibonakala ngathi iyaphakama. So ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe mathemba khona ukuthi ngaba nokuthula e-Ukraine.
Mbuyane, siyathi ukuthi ubudlelwane emkhathini kweMelika neningizimu Afrika kulamalanga bumunyu kakhulu. Ngeke yini kufika kwa Zelensky la kulelive kuchubekise embili kungevani?
The reality is that njengoba sishilo Lindel, the world is in tatters. South Africa must stand up and be counted. Any effort leto enda show ukuthi South Africa iba nebungani nalamanye mave ngicabanga ukuthi kubaleka kakhulu ukuthi sikwende lo ngoba vele sekucacile kuyacaca ukuthi iAmerica itshintsha kumbe ireviewer kumbe ithatha a different posture towards South Africa. Nathi ke kubalekile ukuthi as part of effort yemhlaba sikhona ukuthatha a different view sende siqiniseke ukuthi asi-affecteki kakhulu kulobudlelwano bethu lobukhona neAmerica, but i-effort ikhona njengoba president mhlambe athethe appointe Mcebisi Jonas ukuthi ahambe ayiba envoy ye-South Africa e-America. That is an effort lesho kona ukuthi we want peace, we want to create relations with other countries as hambelani nalokulokonda i-America, but we are reaching out to other countries and we are promoting and articulating i-diplomacy lekufaka phakathi kuthula kusebenzisana kwenda sho ukuthi stabilize the world trade and the supply chain globally ayibe interrupted through ma-actions nema-steps langekho well informed.
Mbuyane, asibonge kakhulu isikhathi sakho. Kuletinye ke uma sibuye eTitolo. Licala lekubulawa kwaSenzo Meyiwa seliphinze lahlehliselwa enyangeni letako. Asikwemukele mbukele esigabeni sesibili setindzaba tesiswati. Uma usanza kungena ukhethe kahle tisekhona hlala nathi. Sesivulwe ngalokuphelele isikolo lesidle imali lelinganiselwa ku-32 million wemarandi embuzini eMpumalanga. Lokhu kuta ngemva kwekuthi Takhamuti tiphatamise kufunza nekufundzisa kulesikolo ngenxa yetinkinga etakhiwo ncanti. Leli bhilidi lakudzala lawa eminyakeni lowengcile kwabeka abafunzi engodini.
Sivule ngalokusemthethweni isikolo lesezingeni lesetulu sendindindi lekusikolo semabanga laphasi. Nyakenye bafunzi bebafundzele emagumbini labangibomahamba nendlwana labangekho esimeni lesifanele. Badali bavala lesikolo abakhala ngaphephi kubantwana babo ngalesinye isikhathi isimo besibaphoca ukuthi kume kufunza nekufundzisa nakuna imvula nasebusika. Kepha lomuhla bajabulele kuba nesikolo lesisha.
Sisola nemaphike kundiza endla sijabule ngakhona emva kwesikhathi lesingaka silwa nalomshikashika wesikolo. Finally isikolo sisitholile indindindi primary.
Nasibuka lesimo lebe bafundzela kuso phambilini besisibi kakhulu besikwenda nalokuthi mhlambe ama results abo angahambi kahle bantwana bangafiki kulo 100% but nyalo ngekubuka i-environment yabo lenhle ngicabanga ukuthi ama results ataba manhle kakhulu.
Sidilitiwe sakhiwo lesidzala lesakhiwa ngummango.
Sakha 29 schools manje and kuleti letakhiwa batali or imphakasi before. Currently sakha about 7 schools. This was the 8th school. Nama project amaningi esiwendayo si department. I-province yonke sina over 400 ama project.
Sifundza seMpumalanga sisalele emuva ngetikolo letingu 747 lokusalinzelwe ukuthi takhiwe. Letinge ama% lange-60 titawulungiswa kuphela. Kusetshenziswa imali lengetulu kwa 32 million wemarandi kwakha lesikolwa.
Nanobe-ke labanye basacabanga timoto labatatishayela madvute kepha labathanza timoto basibuyisela kutamzukwana. Sibavakashele-ke sabuyana nangumbiko.
Yeluhlobo lwe-Mercedes-Benz W123 leyakhiwa eminyakeni lenge-40 leyengcile. Lolu hlobo lwemoto liyathandwa kakhulu kanzi lwehlukile kuletinye.
Mercedes Germany trusted South Africa to manufacture their W123s, but specifically the engines that were casted and molded here in South Africa are amongst the best in the world.
Kusukela ngemnyaka wa 2024 leti moto setitsandzabule live leNingizimu Afrika lonke lapho tihambe emakhilomitha langetulu kwa 25,000. Kepha liphupho labo kuhlola emandla nekubeketela kwaleti moto. Leli qembu lihlela kuthatha luhambo lolukhethekile lolisuka eCape luya eCairo.
We want to take these cars to Cairo, but we are waiting for the situation to clear in South Sudan for us to have a safe passage to Cairo.
Bavuselela kabusha timoto takudzala.
I've got a love for all cars, you know. So what happened is the guys invited me to this club because I'm a mechanic. So I started with VWs. So now I went on with the Mercedes. So I'm the one who look after the cars.
Inhloso yabo yekhambela eCairo kuveta umlandvo wase-Afrika buhle nekunotha kwayo. Kanzi njengekufisa kwabo liphupho labo libonakala litawuba impumelelo.
Nasivakashele timakethe tetimali sithola ukuthi lirandi linyukile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Lirandi libita 18 rand 59 cents nalicathaniswa nelidola lasemelika. Pondo waseBritain ubita 24 rand 87 cents. Tikuca lapho-ke talomuhla tikhona telulwimi lesindebele kusasa tikhona netesixhosa uma kubumbana insimbi yesikhombisa lomuhle ebusuku enkhundleni lefanako. Ungaphuthelwa simo selitulu ngemva kwetitolo nanto zakhe emathebula. Busuku lobuhle ngwane.
Ngetelational ngena Nzabatalo kanjalo ngetelational ngena Sosimo Seltulo sibonga kakhulu ke kulindelwa leZabate emhlaba kanti ke masibuka sithombe sethu kusehla namuhla akhombisa kuba mahle kakhulu mathuba emvula cishe mabuka ke even longana kepha ke anyukela ku 80% mabuka sifunza ke la Eastern Cape ahleli ku 30% mawungena nobeke ku 60% mawungena ke enkabeni live njengoba betfunzele eTshonalanga live ahleli lapha kuye ke la 30% kwana lomuhle kanti ke naselangeni la kusasa asesekhona lawo mathuba emvula lamahle kakhulu njengoba anyukela ikakhulu kade eMpumalanga live ngayo 80% kanti ke mawu enkabeni live sola lapha kuye ke la 60% ahleli ku 30% etfunzele leTselgune live mawuya ke eMpumalanga live ngalo lomuhle likhombisa ke kumbonya ngemafu kuleto nzawo leto kanti ke isixwayiso lesivula baka South African Weather Service kusihla namuhla okhombisa ke kuba nekujuma lobunebungoti mawungena ke enkabeni live ngalo lomuhle kanjalo nencenye esifunza ke la eKwaZulu Natal ikhona ke lemvula lematima mawubuka ke la isifunzeni Eastern Cape lehle lapha esigabeni sesihlanu njengoba ubona lapha ngalo lomuhle kanti ke naselangeni la kusasa khombisa kuba khona lawo mathuba emvula lapha kuye ke la nobe ke esigabeni lesilapha kuye ke la level 5 ngalo lomuhle kanti ke masibukela amazinga ekushisa kusingabe menjani masibuka ke langeni la kusasa masibuka ke eGauteng ahleli lapha ku nobe ke Pretoria lapha ku 23 lo show siphulile nasi sifunza nangale ku Springs bo Johannesburg nangale ku Carletonville nga 18 kanti ke sifunza iLimpopo tindzawo letfana nabo Musina kuyashisa mawubuka nangale ku Liphalale kanti ke mawubuka nobe ke Polokwane ihleli lapha ku 26 nabo Mokopane Bakersford ihleli lapha kuye ke la 27 kwalo muhle kanti ke eMpumalanga ndzawo letfana ke la nabo Sikhukuza likhombisa ke kufuthumala ngaye ke la 29 kanti ke tindzawo letsenkangala mawubuka ngale kuboma elahleni Secunda Standerton likhombisa ke kuphola ngalo muhle lapha ngaye 18 lapha ke Standerton sifunza kwaZulu Natal mawubuka ndzawo letfana nabo Mnambithi bo Pietermaritzburg lipholile leto ndzawo leto ke nangalo Port Shepstone bo Kokstad ngaye ke la 15 kanti ke sifunza ke Eastern Cape mawubuka ndzawo letfana nabo Nqiba hleli lapha ku 17 kwana Joli 19 eqhubekana khona hleli lapha ku 19 17 emakhanda njengoba lipholile kanti ke Western Cape mawubuka ndzawo letfana nabo Vredendal likhombisa ke kufuthumala kuleto ndzawo leto ke ngalo muhle kanti ke Masino Northern Cape tindzawo letfana nabo Springboks bo Calvin abo Carnarvon lapha kuye ke la 22 lo usho ukuthi kufuthumele leto ndzawo leto makhuphukela nangale kubo Kimberley ngalo muhle ngenxa yesikhathi angisho ngesikungako bengikuphathele kona busuku abube ngilobuhle